Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you very easy and quick step-by-step process of how to download Google Chrome on your Mac OS. Alright, first of all, go to the dock at the bottom of your screen and click on Safari web browser icon. Once your Safari web browser open up, now you can just search Google Chrome download on the address bar, or just click on that Google icon in the screen and then use the Google search engine typing Google Chrome download. Now your browser is filled in with search result of so many different web links. The one we are looking at, the one which we need to download this Google Chrome, is the second one, which you can see Google Chrome download the fast secure browser. Click on that link. As soon as you click on that link, there is a message pops up with Google logo and the download options. Now I'm going to click on that download Chrome option. Once I click on that download Chrome option, there is a message pops up that says select the version of Chrome that is right for your Mac, and there is two options to choose. One is Mac with the Intel chip and the other is Mac with Apple chip. All the latest version of Apple laptops now comes with Apple own chip, which is called M1 chip. So if you go MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, then you should be clicking on Mac with Apple chip. As the computer I have is iMac desktop PC, so I'm gonna go with the option Mac with Intel chip. Click allow, and now Google Chrome will start downloading on your computer. At the top right corner on your browser, there is a down arrow sign with blue mark on it, which is showing the download on progress. As you can see, there is no more blue mark with that down arrow, rather it is inside a circle, which means the download has been completed. Now to install your downloaded Google Chrome files on your computer, you just click on that down arrow sign inside the circle, and then it will show up Google Chrome.bmg file. To open that file, just click on that Google Chrome.bmg and wait for your file to open. Now the file is getting open to be installed on your computer. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes, sometimes it might take 4 or 5 minutes depending on how fast is your computer. You can see on my screen I have already got a new window open up with Google logo on it, and underneath the Google logo there is an App Store logo. All I have to do to install this Google Chrome on my computer on my App Store is just drag and drop that Google logo on this App Store logo. Once you got your Google Chrome on your App Store, you can start using it from Launchpad, or go to Launchpad and you can find your Google Chrome on your Launchpad, or you can have option to keep that on your dock. To drag and drop, all you have to do is just press Command key on your keyboard and just drag and drop to that App Store. You can see on my screen it says copying Google Chrome on my applications. That means it's being copied on my App Store. Once that's done, I can start using Google Chrome browser. Click on Finder and click on Application to see. Make sure the Google Chrome browser on your App Store. Yes, I can see the Google Chrome browser is there. That means it's successfully installed. Now let's just click on Launchpad and see if I can find my Google Chrome there or not. Yes, I can see there's a Google Chrome. Let's just open the Google Chrome from here. When you click on that Google Chrome for the first time, it will ask you whether you want to open it or not. Yes, just click open. Before you finally enjoy browsing Google Chrome, it will ask you whether you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, and if you want to send statistics of usage to Google Chrome. At the moment, I don't want to use Google Chrome as my default browser, so I'm gonna uncheck both of these boxes and then I just start Google Chrome. Click on that, start Google Chrome. My Chrome browser is already open. Let me just check. Let me just open YouTube on this Chrome browser. Let me just type youtube.com. Excellent, it's all looking good. Let me just search my own YouTube channel, Visma Gurung. Yes, it's coming very quick. Come on guys, that's the red button there which is subscribe. If you can subscribe my channel, I'll really appreciate that as well. Because I have just used Chrome, it is already in my dock. But if I want this Chrome on my dock permanently, all I have to do is right click on that icon and go to option, and there is an option keep in the dock. Just click on that one and it will be in your dock until you remove it. I want my two browsers sitting next to each other, Safari and Google Chrome, so all I do is just drag and drop Chrome browser next to Safari. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Please let me know if this is any help for any of you, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.